the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a secretary bird. Travel to the African savanna and say hello to the secretary bird. This bird is like a tall, elegant secretary with long legs and a crown of feathers on its head. It uses its strong legs to stomp on snakes and other prey. Quite the stylish hunter. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an axolotl. Dive into the lakes of Mexico to find the axolotl, a unique creature with frilly gills and a permanent smile. Axolotls are like water wizards because they can regenerate, meaning they can grow back body parts like magic. They're the superheroes of the aquatic world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a fosa. Welcome to Madagascar, where the fosa is the king of the forest. This agile mammal looks like a mix of cat and mongoose with a sleek body and sharp claws. They love to climb trees and are the top predators on the island, making sure the jungle stays in balance. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sunbear. Journey to the dense forests of Southeast Asia and discover the sunbear, the smallest bear with a big heart. Sunbears have a golden patch on their chest, just like a sun, and they use their sharp claws and strong jaws to find delicious fruits and insects in the trees. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a giant anteater. In the grasslands of South America lives the giant anteater, a supersized insect eater with a long snout and bushy tail. They use their sharp claws to dig into termite mounds, slurping up ants with their super long tongue. They're like living vacuum cleaners of the ant world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a leaf-tailed gecko. Meet the master of camouflage, the leaf-tailed gecko. Found in Madagascar, these geckos have bodies that look just like tree leaves. With big, bulging eyes and leaf-shaped tails, they blend in perfectly with their forest home.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.